Let's eat some corn. Oh, ay, napagkon na yaw. Dang, this is so big. And then, nabili namin to from our neighbor. So, yesterday, we bought this also. 3 pieces is 20 pesos. And today, we bought again. So, ang mga taga-bukid, wala may tanom. For here in the countryside, ang daming tao na nagsasaka. But now, my God, nagka-high-tech sad ang panahon. So, here in the countryside, there are only few people that, you know, working in the farm, not unlike before. So, yes. So good. So, Mommy likes to eat some corn. It's her favorite. It's always raining here. It rains, it stops, and it rains, and it stops. And then, Kuya Ken, we are so quiet here because my sister got home from the hospital yesterday and the baby is home, and then they already moved into their tiny house. So that's why it is very quiet here, because Ken Kobe has no company. His cousins are not here. Nudge is sleeping. Look at him. Hee! Nang nose. Che, I will bring Linudge.
No.
No. This is my baby.
No, it's not for your baby. Don't kita daddy din.
Huh?
Don't tika don't lantaw daddy din.
No, ako man yung i-bring. Dito, amuan na si Linudge. This is my baby.
No.
Amuan ang baby si Linudge. Akong i-bring si Linudge.
No.
This is my baby.
No, snap!
Look, don't scream. Pinag-sleep si Linudge. Keep quiet mo kay nanang. Wake up na siya. Ayaw ko scream siya. Pinag-sleep si Linudge. Ma-disturb siya. Ano siya? La la la. La la la. Nag-sleep tight si Linudge. Always nag-sleep si Linudge. Siya. Wala, nag-ring niya?
Ladagway.
I-check daw, please. Kay, we will go outside. Linudge and I will go outside because I'm gonna bring Linudge. We will steal Linudge.
No.
Bye.
No.
Kuya Kent and I will bring Linudge to the apartment.
Wala nag-ring.
Huh? Okay. Chanel is upset because I'm gonna take Linudge in the apartment. Upset si Chanel. Alam mo si Linudge. Okay, tita, I will go with you. Oh, it's so windy. I like the breeze. Oh, it's so cool. We are boiling some corn and banana. Oh. So, medyo ripe na siya. Here. Tadam! While we are cooking a banana, while we are boiling a banana, I'm gonna chill here in the nature because it's so windy today. I like the breeze. And then, as you can see, the house of my sister, my older sister Joralyn, that is their house, and the house of my younger sister Giselle. So they are just 10 steps away neighbors, so they are so close to each other. And then I like it here. I like to chill here because there's a nice nature. Janelle, where is the house? Janelle, oh, it's so cold here. I like the breeze on the air. Yeah? Hello ko. I wanna try to. Where? Ah, fish pond. Oh, Chanel, come here. I want to go there. Here. The goat house.
The house?
Go there, inside.
No, it's not our party.
No, there's nothing. Come on, get inside. Sige. Come here. Here ba, inside. Come. Here ba, Ario, sa goat house. Inside. Wow.
Hi. Hi. Welcome to Majin.
No, there's no
No more fish.
no more fish. No, come, get out siya. Come here.
No, wala na fish.
And then, no, there's no more fish. We didn't harvest any from our pan. Oh, slowly. This is my favorite spot. Ooh, it's a nature. I'm a nature lover, shit. Look at that. Ooh.
Look, fish.
Yeah. And then that is our family cemetery. So when Mama is gone, yeah, you gonna bury me there. Our fish pan is not working anymore because there is not enough water. Ano rata? Uy, slippery kayo ato ya. I like the breeze in the air. I like it so much. So this is why, guys, I love the countryside so much. I love the nature because, you know, when you are, you know, that feeling that when you are in the countryside, it made you feel good, relaxed, calm. So, and I like the breeze on the air. Oh my god, so nice. No, it's so cold.
Good.
Yes. Come on, let's go na. We will check our banana. Flower. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I don't know what kind of flower is this. What is the name of this flower? Shit.
Tato.
It's a tattoo. Somebody is chilling like a villain. Kuya Ken, it's raining again. Ken Kobe is chilling in the hammock. It's so cold. It's so cozy there, yeah? Oh my. How much is this? Ano pa kaya? Okay, 5 kabok. Guys, Mamila na kay favorite ni Mamila. Dragon seed. How much is your change? Pag-open, sabi sa mga ito.
Hatag na to nini Juan. Kamamilan ni
460 mong chain.
Oh.
Wala na ni.
I-save ni for later. Ihatag na to ba ni Kuan ang dragon seed.
Okay, this is Mamila's favorite.
Kani ihatag.
Sige na, ayaw pina.
Kuan.
Tigo lang kay sakit yung mga. Takda na ka ni Mamila kin.
Ha?
Natakda na ka ni Mamila. Takda mo ni sinel ni Mamila sigaw og dragon seed. Kana panitan mo na siya yaw. Kamang sinel ka inyo nang diretsyon og kaon. Hait mo na Sige na na. Ay, kabuk. Ingat pa kayo. Tagay pa dyan eh.
Dua kabuk. Dua.
Wala.
Pero ni.
Ano ba? Oh, ilan juice yun? Sige, isa. Dito nga, si. Si. Sige. Narubra sila kabalo. Hilak sa pudoy. Sa ay ra ka mo hilak. Mga hilak ra daw ni siya gutom. Gutom na daw ka no.
Gutom na.
Katulog di kag
Nag-scream ba si Junel?
hilak sa pudoy. Gutom na daw yan. Daghan. Daghan pa dahil sa ate og kuan kanang mais.
Pila natin. Tuloy 20.
Ay, tulo 20. Oo. Tulo 20.
Wala, yung bata.
Init pa kayo.
Yung pila man ka buok.
Tulo 20 man. Balik pila na.
60
60.
Lagi gatas na.
Ako lagi nang giingon ni. Rescuer. Aka na suba na are. Are ka na suba. Hala.
Here. We have grilled some fish. Where? Here. We are going to grill a bangus. Okay? Oh my god, it's so cold. It's already 5 p.m. here in the countryside and it's starting to get cold. Oh my god, Kuya Ken, it's snowing! And then we are going to grill some fish. And I don't know, I'm not feeling so well. I think, yeah, it's something like I'm going to be sick. My head is hurting. My head, I don't feel good. It's something like I'm gonna be sick. I'm going to have a fever. Hopefully not. Just next week we will go back to the apartment because we're going to get ready things for the school in Kobe. Hopefully your uniform is still fit on you. Kaya di na ta magkuhan nyo ay. Magbay lang ta og shoes o imong tumbler. Ano naman kayo nyo backpack. Ang katong blue nga uniform nimo ma-fit pa daw ito nimo. And then mag-haircut ka. We're going to get a new haircut para guwapo ka in first day sa school. Excited na ka? Mag-go back to school ya? Marang na nagsakit akong head ya. My head is hurting. Mag-grilled kami ng fish, bangus. Dako man din siya oh. Ano nga dali? Yeah, pagdali, yeah. Dako man din na siya. Going to chill in the nature with a hammock. We're gonna be chilling here for a while. Right, Chanel?
Ma? Sumay si Chanel.
Wala siya. Where is Ate?
Ma, hi ka ayun eh.
Okay naman na siya.
Dili ko ganahan ani.
Wait siya, kaya adjust na ako. What's wrong with you?
It is also nice.
Hindi ka ganahan ng may.
Ano? Oh, nice me. Gusto nga po ito. Sakit na para itong kalalang. Ha?
Right. We will have here a tree duyan, a tree hammock. So Ken Kobe is savoring the moment because next week is
Class.
back to school. Oh my god, chill time is finally over. Next Monday will be school time, Chanel. Ching.
Mahal ka ayun. Pati Nora. Kipaan ka ayun mo ka. Scared. Come on, shit. Come on. Tita, oh. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Go there, oh. Oh. Go there, oh. I just borrow man. Oh, look at this. It will be fun, oh.
You try the ring sa no base yan.
Come on, shit.
Yeah, maigo ka ng kanya. Ay,
My turn. Okay. It's fun. Yes. Come on, shit. Come on. Whee! Ay! Whee! Faster! Toot, toot, toot. Oh no, it's almost gonna be broken.
para kitang lupa.
Ay, makuan.
Sige, parang kitang duha mabundak.
Ha? Oh my god, that's so terrible. Look at this. Oh my god. Aha, ayaw ba ni?
Okay na siya.
Sama ni siya.
We're good.
Apit na mabugto.
Okay naman na siya. Ako daya.
Hard kayo mga address.
Yung pala lang.
Now what happened in the fire?
Sound like a Korean, Chanel.
Oh, tawa oh.
Yeah. So, we're good. Chanel has the hammock. Giselle Nobi has the hammock. Kuya Ken has the hammock. So, we are going to chill here today. We have music. And we're gonna be making a fire. So, there is no mosquitoes.
Wait, on the eat.
What?
On the wet.
Yeah. Dali ko ibos ya. So this is just right here at the back of my sister's house. This is my favorite spot here, where there's a lot of trees. I love staying here because the breeze on the air, it's so cold. What are you eating, guys? Say name anak siya. What's it?
Bidos.
Say name anak? Ekbi.
Bidos.
Say bidos, ibos. Give me some. Cut, please. Cut. Ay na, that's too big. This is made of corn. There is also the different types. The sticky rice made of rice. Of course, sticky rice made of rice. This is made of corn. And this is so good. Look at that. Good food. Good company. My company is not good here. Very hyper. Giselle Nob is not here. Ate Nobi is still not here because she's busy doing household chores.
You see the photo? Look me. And put away yo, put away. Tara! Not hulog the tree. Okay, kani. You're gonna. Wow, there's a fish pond. That's fun. Hara, may go the fish pond. Dita. Nasa fish pond, oh. Look around. Let's show you around.
Banana. Ooh. Magkadungag na putaan ni Ken with ginamos. Put there is kilid ya. There is a side. That is so big. Oh, nanay ripe oh. Makaboil na putaan na. Mamila na ya. Boiled a banana cake yan. Napamantay ginamos ari. Tamis ang pumuni kay hinog. Okay, nako na. Naluto na ang saging. Sino na yung saging ari? Let's eat banana! Di naman ikaw ginamos kay tamis naman. Pagkawag pan kaya tinitor. Pag tinitor ka na. Ano Please, strong naman ka. Na. Pato sa side, ikuan stand up na. Uy. Slowly, pudya kailan nausik ng water ya.
Ibigay na.
Nag-piece daw ang chicken. Where?
Kana siya ba? Nag-piece siya. Yung anan na nag-speak. Kung tara saan siya. Tara oh.
So what?
Tara oh.
Lagi, I know. Nasa peaceful nga ko.
Peaceful mo. Aray.
Claro. Tadam! Kano na to na isa? Carnaba!
Kuta pa durian.
Ay, na durian? No.
Naku, kato ba yung pagdahuglo gabi eh.
Ulang na di ay.
Dili pa ni, sayang ko ay dakang kayo. Bisisiti ka buok ni, dagpo na.
Carnaba? Alagi, carnaba. Alang-alang pa man. Alang-alang pa oy. Paam ko kay anggoy ko. Painita na siya. Nanta naman na. Singalan nanta naman na. Painita na siya dapat. Oh, sana yung violet. Merong kupa. Pero hindi pa namin yan kukunin. Diyan na muna siya. And look at these plants, guys. I'm gonna bring it to the apartment. Here. Ano siya nga nima? The snake plant. Ito na siya mutaas. Ito na dwarf. This is a dwarf snake plant. Tadan! Kanaan siya nga na.
Tigre man ko na.
This is a tiger plant. And then, this one is bombastic. This plant called bombastic. So, po na yung mga ngalan na. Yung mga ngalan. Okay, kanag ko na eh. And then, that one also, I'm gonna bring all of this. My mom will be the one to plant, and all I have to do is bring it in the apartment.
Plan na pagdalaan na kay di man na makuan, di man na mapuo.
Sige, magdala ko na kaya nga matay na snake plant dito, dugay-dugay na. Dugay-dugay na baya po to.
Kami ko na atong hagdan.
Tadang! Mamilagat anyo table curtain. Ready for fiesta. Na po amigas eh. So, I'm gonna bring it to the apartment tomorrow because we're gonna go back.
Hindi okay. Wala ko mong baga kay tubuan na ato bater.
Kaning dwarf nga kuan ako nang isulod dito sa kuan. Sa sulod ba?
Wala mo sulod din. Kana na adag ko asa din na nimi butang ato sa gawas.
Sa gawas dili kay mga kuan
Tandog na ni.
tandog dito ra na dagoy sa kuan.
Dito na sa
Pwede ra na siya mainitan usahay.
ato na dito butang dito sa labhanan nimo.
Wala gid dito ra na.
Ikaw po nga si Ken po sige sa kuan.
Dili na siya niya ko na.
Maot na dik mabago. Ambot ni musaha baka na agag may mo kay ka. Musaha na ito.
Si color anak mura magkaimito ni payabasa ni. Guava. Hala, look at this durian tree from our old house. Nabali ang sanga. So this is the sound that we heard from last night. The branch on the durian. There you are. This is not totally ripe. Di pa siya gulang. But then, all of the sudden, look at that. The branch on the durian cannot manage to carry all of these fruits. So, fall down siya from last night. Sayang kayo. Look at that. Sayang kayang durian. Sayang kay hapit na ba na magulang? Sabko na ba unta? So man mo ihatag mo nandi man na makaon. Murag yapon di na makaon sayang ay.
Sayang, di palabay na ko ang mga kuanan. Di palabay na ko tong gagmay.
Waste na siya. Ana na mas mahinog pud na.
Ano?
Nahulog siya from last night kay nabugatan na ang durian tree. Fall down from last night and is not totally ripe.
Wala dito eh. Wala dito hindi. Isa naman nila. Salo. Wala dito ko buang kami. Butangan dito dito. Kan man ito dito man. Kan din Lular niyo. Sige naman gawin ni si Jillian kasi lulo niyo 6 naman. Ay. Parehas si Jillian July, si Papa January. Tuig na sila no. July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Ay wala na di ay. Wala na di ay kuan.
Linas! Na, di po natulog. Your con is so nice.
Shirt.
Ay, shirt di ay. Mang reaction.
Lucky man na siya.
I know. Wala na siya ilante. Chanel! Where are you? I will to pikas. Di na day one of the girls, Kuya Ken.
Wala na si kauban.
Oh my God.
Kasi Kuya Owen, man rin.
Layo man kaayo ilaa.
8 nakabuok ang kanin mamila. Apo. Daghan na kayo.
Nakaapo.
Tapos sila de.
Bibili na. Tapos. Bye, Linad.
Na see you soon. Sige na, babay po ni Chanel.
Batong pick or kwan.
Babay ni Lalang. Kaya mag-school naman mo. Hug ni Lalang, hug ni Chanel.
Bye, Chanel.
Hug ba? Hug.
Let's hug. Hug talang. Hug. Let's hug.
Just. Tara, let's go. Well, back to the city. Bye-bye for now, countryside. See you soon. Bye. Bye! Bye, Linads!
John!
Bye, John.
John! Arketa!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bisita na dito, John.
Bisita na sa amo ah!
Yeah. Namuskol man si Junjun.
Ako, muskul ako!
Dala?
Dali, ari man si Kenta,
Okay,
di ba?
Daghang backpack na madara ya. Wala na to na bring ang dako nga kuan kay. Ko.
Ali, kuya. Kanta.
Maganda social la kay kadirang.
Bale, ang bili.
Sana all aircon. Wala na to na bring niya ang dako nga tanaman niya. Hindi masulod.
Ay na si Daddy Del kuya na. Ayaw pagtandugan na dito, isang ata dito sa habog.
Ha sa sulod ra na di
Kami
sa
na
gawa.
mahaw
Kung sa doon naman.
Ikaw muna dito.
Hira mo lagi uslag yung motor no.
Cuman
Oh, gusto bita ko ni.
gi karnat.
Oh, gilungkag gani yang girahian.
Sa lukap lang.
Labit.
Narabay wifi ana ya.
Anak ko gusto lang, anak.
Siling pan uli na ko.
Gani lagi kung pensaan pag
Yung lagi sinanang pala kung motor na hindi, pasulod ko na sulod.
Na, aslop din na bisag na ay.
Pasulod kayo ko ako. Sa kalamba ko no.
mausa lang para.
Pangahuyan mo kung hindi. Dili isang ko naman hindi. Napapakot di.
Wala tayo nakalimpan Ken.
Wala, yun ang
Let's go. Kung mo bantu si Hara. Pero ka diha Ken? Lang ako kan. Pila ni 500 kani kay dili na ta mag sa color kanang dito kayo mali ay kaning pa no walay brown ano to sige purple lang yan nindot saan siya magic map tanawa naman. Kana lang rin. Wala pula. Pula lagi box. Kanang pula lagi ako. Pula.
Kani ma na. Kani na ko ano ni mo ne?
Wala. Ano wala yung kuha ni. Bot-bot.
Ano ba?
Sige daw. Ay ngani na lang.
Sige lang ko bili.
Sayo ka na.
Pero gamay lagi ni.
Sige lang. Na extra. Ay ka na Gio. Ka na extra.
Na lagi ni extra.
Pwede na ta. Kupos-kupos. Huwag mag-map mo eh. Mugaw. Bot-bot. Mo diha.
Bala na sa dira. Sila mo
Ayun na extra rin. Ah.
kamay pa ni. Wala extra diri.
Ah. Duha. Aukan.
Ayaw ng plastic mura magdali.
Si daw, G. Try daw. Malibot na siya. Sige na. Okay na. Wala may price. Ay na.
315.
Ah, okay na na. Ang kana.
Wala nga, tamo kang mo gamit na naman. Dili maguba pag hindi ka mo.
Lagi mao jud sir.
Extra man rin di.
Sige.
Sige, okay na na.
Sige, naman ni tubig.
Extra ni.
Sige, ana. Ari na.
Ano lagi dapat din siya mahaom din siya ma-stick din siya pag.
Para dili mabali.
Oh, dili mo magbikil.
Para mapulin.
315 siya, Je.
Okay, kato mo kay dako gamay-gamay mo daw mo.
Kanara, eh. Sakto na. Kanara.
Ano ning dismantulon? Dahil murag uno ni kay tong pula.
Gabi.
Yung plastic naman tong sa pulo.
Atin ko ang siya oh. Dali naman isok-sok.
Sige, kanina lang. 315. Magic map. Kanira kay hason kay itong kano eh. Magkupos-kupos.
Tama ko. Isa bebe.
Ano to?
Dali na.
Uy. Hindi, pwede naman. Wala mo yung line palito?
Ni ayan sa ni.
Ang dami pa namin i-arrange tomorrow. I think mag-general cleaning kami ni Kuya Ken. Because the next day, mag-ready na sa iyang mga things for the school. So, mag-arrange muna ako, guys. For my sister and my mom heading home, we went there in this downtown because they need to do something, and then both the magic map because wala na akong map dito. So the last few weeks kinuha na ng sister ko yung mga gamit nila. Kinuha na nila last week kasi ayun, nag-start na silang tumira sa bahay nila. So, ito yun. Finally, we are back here in our apartment, and my sister and my mom, they just leave, heading back to the countryside, and yes, back to reality, back to city life. Vacation is over, so we're gonna be preparing here for the back to school on Monday. So Kentoy will be in school Monday, the first day of school. And then these are the only plants that I brought here in the apartment. This 4 because the tall one, he wasn't able to fit that one in my sister's jeep, so we'll bring it soon. But the rest, whole one that Mamila planted, I still want to bring it here soon because I like it a lot. Time flies so fast. You know what, I wanted to stay in the countryside much longer. Into his have school here, so we really need to go back. So chill time is finally over. Time flies so fast, my god. In just one snap, vacation is finally done. So I really like to stay in the countryside because, of course, my family is there. So Kinto is having fun there all the time because he has so many cousins to play with. And, you know, it's peaceful. The only thing that I hate in the countryside is the water. There is no enough water. Well, if it's raining, the rain there helps a lot because, you know, we can get rainwater and put it in the big tub. But then I just like that, you know, you don't need to save some water. I just want unlimited. So yes, we had so much fun. There's a baby. That's all for now. Back to reality. It's just me and Ken Kobe now. Bye for now, countryside life, and here we are again, city life. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you had a great time. Are you blessed? Bye.